Alright, Shenanigans! I know this video is up a little bit late today, but I had to wait until today to record this. So you probably recognize this little wall behind me from when we came to visit here at Christmas. Anyway. Anyway, what we are going to do today is I got a free bike. So we're going to take the bike to a place, an area, where we can ride for a little bit. And I thought about stopping by the dollar store, but I guess I'm not going to do that today. We'll do that another day. We're just going to ride today, see what we can see, all right? Come along, let's have some fun. Those blackbirds fly away. Actually, they're not blackbirds. I'm kind of an idiot. Crows. I scared the crows from their nest. Sorry, crows. Sorry my bike makes noise. Sorry. Sorry. I don't know if y'all can see them even. And I better pay attention because I'm about running off the road. I think this land here belongs to the airport. Wind is making it hard to ride, you know that? Going back to where I started is going to be easy because the wind will blow me back there. I think I could go through here. I think. Something's clicking. The rear derailleur maybe. Maybe I can't get through here. Might have turned too soon. Yeah, one way or another I can get through, I guess. Yeah, I think the road was up a little further. Oh well, we'll get through. I'll be nice and walk the bike across here. Nice thing about this video is I don't have to piece a bunch of littler videos together. I'm just going to leave it run the whole time we're riding. Yeah, the road was up further. Should we go up there? I don't know if you can go both ways. I think you can, but we'll go this way. I don't know the area very good. Yep, I don't know the area. I like the noise it makes when the bike runs over certain leaves. They make a loud. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not. Cars? No cars. All right. Don't get in an accident. Ain't worth it. Not worth it. I was gonna go up to the highway and go across here, but I think I might ride straight here at this point. Had I been closer to the intersection, well, it is red right now, I guess. No, you know what, I think we are gonna go across. There's more to see over there. All right, make sure there's no cars. No cars, go across. Without getting smushed. Get all the way across. Yay, there's no cars. Alright, we're gonna get on here and start riding now. You should recognize that from my other video. That's the place I used to work at once upon a time. There's another place I worked at, and I think I'll do a video on that. This is the end I used to work in. I used to be a door there. And I used to park my car kind of close to the dumpster that was out here. It didn't used to be over here, it was over here. And anyway, whenever the hot fudge would run out, we, get low, there'd still be about that much in the bottom of the can, but the little dipper thing wouldn't reach. So we used to have to throw it away. Well, I used to grab it, put it in my car quick, and then I'd go to the store and get vanilla ice cream and go home. And I think there's room for both. Thanks. Anyway, then I'd go home and me and great grandma would have hot fudge sundaes. But shh, 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 shh. Where's the front? Right there. Shh. Don't tell no one. All right, keep it our secret. Like it's gonna matter. Ding, yellow car. Now, I want to see how far this sidewalk goes. More people bike on it than ride. Back when I still lived here, none of this was there. I don't think Cub Foods was even there. The grocery store we used to go to was in that mall over there. I had a friend that worked at this Burger King. Why was I thinking Dairy Queen? Maybe because I'm craving Dairy Queen, I don't know. dingy me didn't bring a drink with. It has a cup holder too. I didn't bring any money. Oh well. And I got my allergies acting up. So you hear me going. I'm trying not to do that. It's really hard though. Y'all know what it's like. Should have brought a Kleenex with, but I didn't. Oh well. This is nice to ride on. Really nice. See, the road I was gonna take is where that car with the boat is, and it comes up to this intersection here. There, I sniffled again, sorry. All right. That doesn't do anything. I could be naughty and go around this car, because there's no cars there. But we'll be good. "18 speed, but I can't get that many speeds out of it. Oh well. That's alright. As long as it runs, that's all I care about. I don't know if you can see all the pumpkins over here. I guess it looks like a lot more than it actually is. They have one of those, they trust you boxes. They trust that you're gonna put your money in, not just take off with their stuff. I think so far it must be working, because they still have it sitting there. I'm sure they lose some. Let's see. Why won't you turn now? Yeah. I went to eat at this place. Really expensive, but good. I actually went there and ate twice with friends of mine. And of course, the good old Dollar Tree that's not the Dollar Tree anymore. They're gonna have to change it to the $1.25 tree. Is that how you spell it? Sound it? Cadoba? Maybe. I don't know, should we take this way back or should we take a different road back? I don't know. Maybe take a different one and see what we can see on the way there, on the way back to where we need to go. Hey, there's a bunch of I should have stopped and picked a bunch of those up. They were pine cones, little ones. Maybe I could have made a pine cone Christmas tree. Should I go out there and get some cattails? I wonder if that would be illegal. If anybody knows if that would be illegal, let me know. I might come up and get some. Come pick those pine cones too. Well, I think this is the end of our sidewalk. Doesn't look like it goes across. Yeah, I don't know if we want to go over there on that road. Doesn't look like it has much of a edge for bikes. Well, you should be able to hear me better on the way back. There doesn't appear to be as much wind. Trouble is, you'll be able to hear my sniffling too. Sorry about that. Well, this has been fun. Alright, I'm going to check out these pine cones quick. I might fill up my pocket. I know I saw one. There's a kind of a mushy one, but there's this one. Let's see if there's any more good ones. Oh, not bad. Oh yeah, there's more. I'm not gonna make you sit and watch me pick them. All right. Oh, on these pine cones, because watch, they just break real easy. Can't make nothing with those. Oh well, at least we looked, right? Look, I don't know if you could see it, all the needles on the sidewalk. Alrighty, onward and upward. Wait a minute, is that Herberger still open? It probably is, huh? If y'all got a Herberger's by you, let me know. Hi. Always being polite. Always be on the bright side of polite with Nana. Always be on the bright side of polite with Nana. Nana's Shenanigans, that's the game. Nana's Shenanigans, all the same. You know what? We're gonna ride up here. I don't feel like waiting for that light again. Plus we can ride right by the pumpkins, etc. Ooh, $6 each or 3 for $15. How much are gourds? Let's see. Squash, $5 each. Buy 2, get 1 free. $4 and $3. Thought they had gourds. Oh, over here, small pumpkins. $3 each or 3 for $7. See, they got some gourds here. Right here on the truck. Why don't they have gourds? Huh. Weird. Maybe on the truck? I didn't look on the truck, did y'all? I didn't. No, none on the truck that I can see. Flowers, $5. Cabbage, $4 each. Oh, they got a couple. They got a couple here. It doesn't have a price though. All right. This wind is making my nose run again. I don't want to be snuffling at you. We're going right across here. No cars, free to go. Not a bad bike, is it? Have any of you heard of Echo Ridge vertical? Have any of you ever had that bike? It's an old one. The lady I got it from said that it was her daughter's, and she's 20 now. At least 20. I guess I don't know which one was. I think she said her youngest was 20. So who knows how old her oldest one was. There was a red bike too. I thought about taking it, but it was a lot smaller, and what would I do with another bike? If I knew somebody that needed it, I would have taken it. For sure. For reals. Come out and ride your bike. You know, this time of year is perfect for bike riding because it's nice and cool. Well, today isn't. Today's, when I took off, I think it was 67. And I got my hoodie on. But I'm actually getting fairly warm. Here's some more pumpkins. Maybe they'll have the plants that I wanted to get. I'll show y'all. Wonder how much their pumpkins are. $4.99. Not bad. This is what I wanted to get right here. Look at those. Anybody tell me what kind of plants these are? The red ones in there. They're so pretty. They used to have a bunch of different styles. Aren't these mums? I don't know. I'm just guessing that from watching different videos. What's it say on there? Annual planter, that's it. They were $29.99. They're $24.99 now. I was gonna get those, but then I bought my boat instead. So I decided, and with great grandma moving, we're not quite sure if she's gonna have a deck or not. We're pretty sure she's not, because we're pretty sure of where she's moving. Okay, we're pretty positive of where she's moving. She won't have a deck. So having a plant like that won't do any good. We'll go over here now again. Should have drove on there. That's what I should have done. All this was not here back in the day. Like when I worked at the the pizza joint here, all this was not here, none of it. Nada. I'll be right back. One of the guys that works here, I'm sure he's a lawyer, let me peek inside, just, you know, right in the back door. And it was so weird going in there because it's so much different. So much different than what it used to be. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave you all here. And we'll say our goodbyes in just a minute. Oh, I'm gonna have to pump up the tire. It's getting low. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Shenanigans, I hope you enjoyed this little excursion. And this is so much fun doing this because there's a lady right over here in her car waiting for the light staring at me. It was pretty funny. I'm pooped. Not as pooped as I thought I was going to be though. This is actually a really, really nice ride, even with the wind. So anyway, I hope you all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.